Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen here at Slim Full of Treats. Now today, there's a little bit of a backstory to what I'm going to make tonight. When my husband and I were starting this together, after about a month, I had started before him. He wasn't very big, so it didn't take him very long to lose the weight. And he has never been a very large man. Well, he got to his goal weight in a couple months. Yeah, I know, typical guy. It takes me over a year. But my husband, as soon as he hit his goal weight at the doctor's office, we came out and he wanted a bag of chili cheese corn chips immediately. I have not been inside of a convenience store in a long time, about 5 months at this point in time. Convenience stores are nothing but penny candy stores for adults. You have got everything there. Now, I'm from the north, and convenience stores are pretty stripped down up there, most of them. In the south, you have got everything from biscuits and gravy to hand pies, everything sticky sweet, deep fried, wonderful smelling. Not to mention all your sticky sweet drinks, chips, and candy bars. So, I don't go in them. I went into the convenience store with my husband to take a name brand chili cheese chip down. I look at the bag. It wasn't a big bag. It's just like what you would consider a lunch size bag. I turn it over and I look at the nutritional information. Hey, 160 calories, not bad. 3 servings for one little bag. So that 160 turned into almost 500 calories. My husband was a little disappointed when I told him no. So I said, give me 5 minutes to think. I will get you chili cheese corn. We stopped by our local grocery store. I went down and I said, popcorn, it's corn. I went down the popcorn aisle. And then I picked up popcorn seasonings. And I figured I can make this chili cheese corn chip by myself. This is what I came up with. Now, regular microwave popcorn. Now, easy, you pop it in. Do it in the microwave. Oh, oops, sorry about that. Non-stick cooking spray. Just a little light coating. It's gonna make all of these stick. Now, what we have here is we have a nacho cheese flavored powder. Just pour it in there. I didn't pour it all because I want to mix it. Now we have bacon cheddar powder. Pour it in there. And then chili powder. Let's pour some in. Now, I just mix it up. Just a little bit. And check it. You're going to want to put a little more because you just really want a good coating. Oh, there's my son again. And just put in the chili and nacho and cheddar again. Now, measure it out, usually a couple tablespoons per flavoring. My husband helped me prepare today, so there's a little more in there than what we really should have. And a little bit of chili powder. And just mix, mix, mix. Simple enough. Now, I said that bag of chili cheese corn chips was about 500 calories. This entire bowl, and I mean, you would have only had a section like that. This entire bowl of chili cheese popcorn is under 200 calories, and it's a bulky snack. So, there are people out there who like to eat a lot. You know, volume eaters. I know, trust me, I know, I like volume too once in a while. So this is a very good volume snack, especially if you have an eater. Just don't eat it 2 hours before bed. It's never a good idea to eat 2 hours before bed. And that is my husband's favorite. It's chili cheese popcorn. Now, I have a couple versions of this popcorn. I actually have many versions of different kinds of popcorn. Whatever flavor you like, get on the popcorn aisle. You're going to find that type of flavor. This is mine. Now, classically, I'm a sweets person. I love anything sweet. Actually, years ago, I had a friend who would not take me to the movies because I'm the type of person who puts popcorn and goobers together and eats them at a movie theater. He thought that was disgusting. But I've got my popcorn and goobers fix because a box of goobers, I don't even know how many calories. I've never even looked anymore. I'm sure it's pretty high between the chocolate and the peanuts. These are just chocolate oat cereal. Pretty low in calorie. I just put some in. Okay, and mix it up. And those are your, what I call goobers, which are chocolate-covered peanuts. Gives you the sweetness. Now, it's going to take a little tiny bit more cooking spray. Cinnamon is very good for you, so you don't even have to worry about a calorie count on cinnamon. It is none. So go ahead and mix that cinnamon in there, and that's just to taste, whatever you desire. And this is a popcorn seasoning. It is a sugary kettle corn. It probably actually has a little bit of real sugar in it, but the calorie count on it's so low, I don't really care. It just makes that nice, sweet popcorn flavor that I love. And finally, and I'm going to put a little more cooking spray on there. Finally, peanut butter protein powder. There's several different brands. I find that they're all powdered peanut butter is very good. Now, the great thing about powdered peanut butter, I used to put peanut butter chips in here. And believe me, I had to count every calorie, so it was quite a bit of calories for very little peanut butter chips. Then I found the powdered peanut butter. Now, you can reconstitute it into regular peanut butter at that point in time. But it is wonderful. It saves you 80% of the fat, and the calories are cut down by 75%, even more. So I just kind of mix it in. So, a little bit more. And there you go. And mix it. And this is my husband's favorite snack. And it's actually, I put half of it away in a container. I don't even eat the whole thing anymore. And I bring some to work. My husband does the same thing. My husband used to be known at the large factory that we work at as the candy man, because I used to buy a lot of those miniature candies that he would snack on all day long. I mean, back then we didn't even think about counting calories. So he was known as the candy man, and people came up to him and got candy all day long. Now, he's known as the popcorn man. And it is so much better for us. You know, and also with this, experiment with the popcorn seasoning. You will find your favorite flavor, and it's a really great nightly snack. Again, this is Amy at Slimful Treats. Check out and subscribe to my YouTube page, like and share it, and of course I'm on Facebook as Amy Smith, and my website, my email actually is slimfultreats@gmail.com. Enjoy.